Tonight, I'm gonna take one chuck roast and make two different things with it.
I started by cutting this very large chuck roast in half. It will make 2 to 3 meals for both Ricky and I each. My pot roast was the easiest, so I got that going first. I did just the cream of mushroom soup and then a pack of Lipton onion soup mix and 2 cans of water. This went in the oven at 400 for about 3 hours. And then now Ricky's, I browned his roast on both sides. And then I seasoned it with a little salt and pepper. And then I put 2 ancho chilies, 2 guajillo chilies, 1 onion cut in half, clove of garlic. And I cooked that for about 30 minutes. And then I put all the solids, except for the meat, into my food processor. I could have used a blender, but frankly, I was just lazy. So this worked just as fine. So I also put some cumin in there, some adobo, and a little bit of paprika. I put a little bit of the water from the pot in there just to get everything moving nicely. Now, I like to strain this mixture. Not everybody does, but I do because I don't like the seeds and the skins of the chilies in there and everything. I added just a little bit of water just to get the rest out of the food processor, scraped whatever was left on the bottom. And then this went back on the stove for about 3 hours as well till it was nice and tender. I went ahead and shredded all that meat up and put it in a bowl with some of the juice just to keep it moist. And then I made Ricky's tacos. Now, I prefer corn tortillas, but since I wasn't eating these, I made him flour because that's what he prefers. So I just went ahead and dipped my tortilla into the sauce. I put some meat and cheese on there, folded it over, and then just browned it up really well on both sides and made sure it was all melted. And then I put some of that sauce in there with some onions, and that was his. And then with mine, I just served some white rice and then a piece of that chuck roast with some gravy on top. And this was the perfect dinner.